So one of the better tricks that I have in my sleeve is this spring-loaded guard keep, and it is a literal finger saver. Guards can be very dangerous in certain points, so you need a good reliable pin that is also easy to release. So I've had these in all my saws throughout the years, and now I just picked up this great little Metabo, so I'm doing it to this guy. When you get started, you need to drill your hole about right there. You need to find a bolt about, I'd say 2 inches long. You need a spring and a lock washer. The bolt, if you could find a smooth shank with a tip, that would be ideal with a threaded tip. But with this, I just smooth the shank out with a grinder. So you need to drill this hole all the way through. You need to remove this guy here so that the guard comes all the way around. And you need to remove this right here. Once you've removed the keeper, get the guard around the back. This is removed. Take a grinder and cut off probably a 1/2 inch off the back end of this guy. And that will not affect anything as far as SawZkin's performance or safety. Once you have that cut off, you need to put the screw back in, the keeper back in. Remember to always pull the battery. Dixieline has these on sale right now for $100 with a circular saw or some kind of saw trade-in. Very good deal with the battery and charger. So now what you have here is a reliable guard pin. It's hard to do with one hand, but 2 hands is easy. Guard pinner. That's for safety, and you only use it when you need to, but it's got a quick release. Just a quick little, and it's back in play. Very, very handy. So again, we're just having a through bolt with a spring. Any old spring will do, but not a really high tension spring. More of an easier tension spring with a lock washer. Drilled through to here. Make sure that'll clear the distance of this. So pull this over. Boom, there it is. And then for release. Hope that helps.